Ever pondered the mystery of TWA Flight 800, a Boeing 747 that met a tragic end over the Atlantic Ocean? Today, we delve into the chronicles of this ill-fated flight, a story that begins on a hot summer day in 1996. On July 17th, TWA Flight 800 was scheduled for a routine flight from John F. Kennedy International Airport in New York to Rome, with a stopover in Paris. The aircraft was a Boeing 747-100, a model renowned for its reliability and safety. At the helm was Captain Ralph G. Kevorkian, an experienced pilot with an exceptional track record. Before departure, the crew experienced some technical issues with the aircraft. Yet, after some checks, the decision was made to proceed with the flight. At 8:19 p.m. Eastern Time, the aircraft took off, carrying 230 souls, each oblivious of the fate that awaited them. 12 minutes into the flight, while climbing to its cruising altitude, an explosion erupted from the aircraft's center fuel tank. The Boeing 747, once a symbol of human ingenuity and the power of flight, was transformed into a fireball, plunging into the Atlantic Ocean near East Moriches, New York. The explosion was so powerful it could be seen from miles away. All 230 people on board perished in the tragedy. In the immediate aftermath, speculation ran rife. Was it a terrorist attack? A missile strike? The National Transportation Safety Board, or NTSB, launched an extensive investigation. After 4 years of meticulous work, the NTSB concluded that the probable cause was the explosion of flammable fuel vapors in the center fuel tank, possibly ignited by a short circuit. The loss of TWA Flight 800 was a turning point in aviation safety. It spurred new safety requirements for aircraft to prevent future fuel tank explosions, a testament to how lessons learned from tragedies can lead to significant advancements. What are the key points to remember about TWA Flight 800? It was a tragic event that occurred on July 17, 1996, claiming all 230 lives on board. The cause was determined to be an explosion in the center fuel tank, possibly due to a short circuit. The incident led to significant changes in aviation safety, emphasizing the importance of constant vigilance and innovation in the pursuit of safer skies. The story of TWA Flight 800 serves as a stark reminder of the risks inherent in flight and the continuous efforts made to mitigate them. It underscores the importance of learning from past tragedies to ensure safer travels in the future. It is a tale of loss, learning, and ultimately, a testament to the resilience of the human spirit in the face of adversity.